Good day everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tech Savvy Chris once again, and on this YouTube channel I'll be posting all about the digital income skills and the ways of making money online, talking about businesses, things that you do to generate revenue for you. So and on my last YouTube video I was talking about the 10 best high income digital skills that you can learn in 2023, and I promised you guys I'll be making individual videos of these high income digital skills. And today I'll be teaching you guys digital marketing. So what I'll be teaching you guys is digital marketing. So everything you're going to learn today, you're going to learn what is digital marketing, you're going to learn email marketing, you're going to learn YouTube keyword search, you're going to learn what affiliate marketing is, you're going to learn what Google Data Studio is, you're going to learn digital marketing skills, you're going to learn creative marketing ideas, you're going to learn digital marketing tools, you're going to learn what is WordPress, you're going to learn how to become a digital marketer. I'm sure that is what all of you want. I'm sure that is the purpose of this video. If you search for digital marketing, I'm sure you're looking forward to being a digital marketer. So you're going to learn how to become a digital marketer and the digital marketing interpretations. So let's dive right into it, shall we? Digital marketing is growing at a rapid pace because companies of all sizes and sectors are focusing more and more on developing a robust online presence. It is an ever-changing and engaging field, and there is always something new to learn. Now, let me teach you guys the applications of digital marketing. Digital marketing is the only way for companies to reach their clients most efficiently. The main applications of digital marketing are to build brand reputation. Now, it is important to have an online presence in this digital world. Digital marketing can help you build an audience and create a trust factor with them. Now, the second applications of digital marketing is lead generation. Now, the biggest goal of any digital marketing campaign is to generate new leads that will ultimately become customers or clients. A strong digital marketing strategy is a great way to reach your audience and gain new ones. Now, the third one is to ensure business survival. Now, the main applications of digital marketing, one of them is to ensure business survival. Digital marketers can come up with a number of innovative ways to entice customers, and this can help companies to take the necessary steps for the success and betterment of their businesses. Now, the fourth main applications of digital marketing, application of digital marketing is to provide better data analytics. Now, digital marketing can help analyze traffic information to plan better marketing strategies. You can get greater insight on customer preferences and create campaigns based on their buying patterns. Now, who should learn digital marketing? Digital marketing is beneficial to everyone. If you are seeking for better jobs with a high salary package, digital marketing is the next big thing. You understand? If you have a keen interest in digital marketing, you can also apply for the digital marketing certification courses, which will be highlighted throughout the digital marketing tutorial. Now let me dive right into the digital marketing tutorial. Now there are certain digital marketing tools that you need to know. There is a vast number of digital marketing tools, applications and resources that you can use to help you grow and improve your online presence and digital media campaigns. This digital marketing tutorial will provide you with 24 must-have digital marketing tools that will make your digital media campaign as efficient and effective as possible. Now, there are digital marketing skills, and in this video I'll be sharing with you the digital marketing skills that can help you grow your engagement in digital marketing. Now, there are a number of statistics and critical areas of focus that you need to look at when it comes to digital marketing. This digital marketing video focuses on the top 10 digital marketing skills that you need to learn in 2023. Well, now, as I should have said earlier on, there are different types of digital marketing, and amongst them is affiliate marketing. Now, I'm going to be talking briefly about affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing is under digital marketing. So, affiliate marketing is a domain of digital marketing that has seen significant growth in the last few years. It is a form of digital marketing where merchants pay commissions to other third parties to advertise their product. This digital marketing video will help you understand the basics of affiliate marketing. How you can succeed as a merchant, how you can become an affiliate and become an affiliate, how you can, and the benefits of being an affiliate rather. So let me explain what being an affiliate marketer is. An affiliate marketer is someone who acts when you want to make someone purchase a particular goods from a particular online store. You being an affiliate marketer means that you bring customers to buy from the online store, and then you get commission. That's the job of an affiliate marketer. So you need to learn about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a very easy part of digital marketing, so it will help you greatly in making high revenue. It will help you in making good money in this digital era. Now, the fifth one is email marketing. Email marketing is a decade-old marketing strategy that is still hailed as one of the most effective digital marketing techniques. It serves as a cost-effective way of delivering messages to convert leads into sales by sending personalized emails to targeted customers. This digital marketing video will provide you with a walkthrough of how to get started with email marketing. Now let me cut to the chase. Now, how to become a digital marketer. I'm sure you guys have been waiting for this part of the video. Now I'm going to show you how to become a digital marketer. There are a number of paths that you can take to become a digital marketer. However, it is best to specialize in one field, if not all of them. This digital marketing video will explain to you the 4 specialized parts of digital marketing you can take to start your digital marketing career. We have the SEO specialist, the PPC specialist, the social media marketing specialist, and the digital marketing specialist. So if you want to become a digital marketer, you have to specialize in either of these 4: the SEO, the PPC, the social media, or the digital marketing specialist. So digital marketing is a career. So if you want to make money online as a skilled worker and learning these digital skills, you need to learn the basics of digital marketing. And there are too many types of digital marketing. We have email marketing, we have too many digital marketing skills, and then affiliate marketing, and so much more. So if you want to learn digital marketing, you have to follow me on this YouTube channel, and I'll be showing you tips, and I'll be giving you a step-by-step explanation on how to be a digital marketing. Well, this is just an introductory video to digital marketing. I've not given you the full explanation. I'm not giving you a full detailed video of what digital marketing is. Well, you have to stay tuned to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on your post notification bell to get more updates. And on my next video, I'll be sharing with you the secrets of being a successful digital marketer. I am a successful digital marketer, and I've been making income from being a digital marketer. So do not worry, guys. I'm going to teach you the simple ways of making money from digital marketing, and I hope you will benefit from my videos. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. See you later, guys.